Hey guys, it's Ria. So today I want to share with you guys. I'm so excited actually. We are moving gradually but surely. So today we're going to unbox and see the new gadgets that we've purchased for Talk with Ria. And so you guys stay connected. I just want to share this journey with you guys because I'm super excited that we've been wanting these things for some time now and now we have them. So yes. So basically I know that I ordered for a reflector, a bouncer, tripod, light, backdrop stand. So we're gonna open them together, and I'm going to use the tripod to right now to do the unboxing because I need my phone to be in a steady place but also do this. Yeah. So guys, let's get started. I believe these are like the clippers for the backdrop. I don't have like the cutter, so I just have to make do with the scissors stuff. Yay, I'm correct. They look really small. The clippers for the backdrop. They look so big. I hope they work though. So one item, I believe this is the reflector. Okay. Oh, this is quite a nice bag. Okay. Yeah, the reflector. Two. I don't know if these are backdrop stands. It feels heavy. If I had a cutter, this might have been quite easy. Okay, these I'm sure are the softbox lights. Yeah, the softbox lights. Okay. So this is obviously the backdrop. I ordered for 3 for the meantime. So I'm so excited, guys. I've been saving for these things for a long time. But before anything else, I want to appreciate. So this is a pink backdrop. I was trying to say, oh, I was expecting 3. I don't know what happened to the rest. Or maybe it's wrapped in there, but it feels like there are other things inside. Let it. So basically these are the items: backdrop stand, the reflector, softbox light, and the backdrop. I'm pretty sure they wrapped the backdrop with the other items because I ordered for three from the same vendor. So basically that's it, guys. When I have time to set up, you guys will see it, but for now I'm so excited. I'm going to read the manual and see how they look like, so thank you guys for joining me. So finished unboxing and super excited. I guess I spent about something like about $100 for everything. It's quite reasonable though, like I was super surprised, but it's something around $100 or $150. So thank you guys for joining me, and stay tuned for more stories from Talk with Ria, the journey, and so much more interesting stuff. So bye. Please subscribe to the channel, follow us across all social media platforms.